Stop. Before you buy your next car, you need to know the truth behind the numbers. Did you know that driving electric could cut your maintenance bills by nearly 40%? But is it worth the trade-off in range and refueling time? Today, we're breaking down the real costs, from the 6 cents per mile reality to the silent power of instant torque. Gas or electric? Which one actually wins for your wallet and your lifestyle? Let's find out. Welcome to Drive and Know. Maintenance costs. Electric cars have fewer moving parts and require much less routine service. There are no oil changes, no spark plugs or timing belts, and no muffler to rust. Instead, EVs need periodic tire rotations, brake system inspections, with regenerative braking significantly extending brake pad life, and battery health checks. Studies show that EV maintenance is roughly 30 to 40% cheaper over a vehicle's lifetime. On average, annual maintenance costs for a typical electric vehicle range between $400 and $600, compared to $800 to $1,200 for a comparable gasoline car. On a per-mile basis, EVs cost about 6.1 cents per mile, approximately $0.038 per kilometer, for maintenance, while internal combustion vehicles average 10.1 cents per mile, approximately $0.063 per kilometer. In real-world ownership, an EV's first 3 years of maintenance can total as little as $77, compared to around $228 for a gasoline vehicle. By contrast, gasoline cars require regular oil and filter changes, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, along with coolant flushes, transmission servicing, exhaust repairs, and fuel system maintenance. Over time, internal combustion engines may face major mechanical failures such as head gasket issues, timing belt replacements, or fuel pump failures. EV's primary long-term concern is battery replacement, though batteries are usually covered by warranties lasting 8 to 10 years or around 100,000 miles. Overall, EVs clearly win in terms of maintenance simplicity and total servicing costs. Fuel energy costs. Electricity is generally much cheaper per kilometer than gasoline. In the United States, average gasoline prices are around $3.13 per gallon, approximately 82 cents per liter, while electricity costs roughly 14 cents per kilowatt hour. For a typical sedan, this results in EV energy costs of about 21 to 28 cents per kilometer, compared to 4 to 6 cents per kilometer for a gasoline car. For example, an EV consuming 15 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers costs about $2.10 per 100 kilometers, while a gasoline car consuming 7 liters per 100 kilometers costs around $5.75 per 100 kilometers. On highways, EVs may consume about 20 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, costing roughly $2.80 compared to $4.10 for a gasoline vehicle using 5 liters per 100 kilometers. In Europe, fuel prices are higher. Gasoline averages around €1.66 per liter, while electricity typically costs 25 to 30 cents per kilowatt hour. This results in EV energy costs of roughly €4.50 to €6 per 100 kilometers, compared to €9.65 to €13.50 per 100 kilometers for gasoline vehicles. Overall, EV energy costs per kilometer are often 50 to 75% lower than gasoline in both the US and Europe. Best driver profiles, city commuters, short trips. Electric vehicles are ideal for urban driving. Regenerative braking improves efficiency in stop-and-go traffic, and overnight home charging easily covers daily commuting needs. Most daily commutes of 30 to 50 kilometers fall well within modern EV ranges. Drivers benefit from quiet operation, zero tailpipe emissions, and fewer fuel stops. Long-distance or highway drivers. Gasoline cars still hold an advantage for frequent long-distance or rural travel. They typically offer 500-plus kilometers range and can be refueled in minutes. EVs require planning around fast-charging locations and experience higher energy consumption at sustained highway speeds. Drivers who frequently travel long distances or tow trailers may prefer gasoline or hybrid vehicles. Environmentally conscious drivers. EVs are the clear choice for eco-focused drivers. They produce zero tailpipe emissions and are significantly more energy efficient. Electric drivetrains convert roughly 87 to 91% of energy to motion, compared to 16 to 25% for gasoline engines. As electricity grids become greener, EV's lifetime carbon footprint continues to improve. Budget-conscious drivers. From a total cost of ownership perspective, EVs often come out ahead due to low fuel and maintenance expenses. However, higher upfront purchase prices can be a challenge. Budget-minded buyers may consider used EVs, smaller models, or efficient gasoline cars to balance initial cost with long-term savings. Government incentives can further reduce EV ownership costs. Young/tech-savvy drivers. Electric vehicles appeal strongly to tech-oriented drivers thanks to instant acceleration, quiet driving, and modern digital features. Insurance costs can be higher for new drivers due to repair expenses, but this gap is gradually narrowing. Drivers accustomed to traditional gearboxes may initially find EV's single-speed, one-pedal driving style unusual, but often grow to prefer it. Common challenges and problems. Charging infrastructure and range anxiety. Access to charging remains a key concern for EV adoption. While charging networks are expanding rapidly, they are still less widespread than gas stations. Charging also takes longer, typically 30 to 60 minutes for fast charging compared to 5 minutes for refueling. That said, most daily driving distances are short, and EV ranges easily meet everyday needs. Battery life and reliability. EV batteries gradually lose capacity over time. Most are covered by long warranties, but out-of-warranty replacements can be expensive. Extreme temperatures and frequent fast charging may accelerate degradation, though modern battery management systems have significantly improved longevity. Gas vehicle issues. Gasoline vehicles are mechanically complex and require consistent maintenance. Engine components such as fuel pumps, timing belts, and catalytic converters can fail over time. Gas cars also produce emissions and may be subject to environmental regulations, urban emission fees, and fluctuating fuel prices. Other considerations. EV insurance and registration fees can be higher due to repair costs, though this is improving. On the other hand, gasoline vehicles face increasing environmental restrictions, potential future bans, and higher emissions-related taxes. Driving experience differences. Acceleration and power. EVs deliver maximum torque instantly, making even modest models feel very quick off the line. Many EVs accelerate faster from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour than comparable gasoline cars. Gasoline engines must build power through revs and gear changes, resulting in slower initial acceleration. EVs also commonly feature one-pedal driving, where lifting off the accelerator applies regenerative braking. Noise and vibration. Electric vehicles are nearly silent, producing only tire and wind noise. This makes city driving especially quiet and comfortable. Gasoline cars generate engine noise and vibration, which some enthusiasts enjoy but others find tiring. Transmission and gearing. Most EVs use a single-speed transmission, providing smooth and uninterrupted acceleration. Gasoline vehicles rely on multi-gear transmissions, which involve shifting and can affect driving smoothness. Weight and handling. EVs are generally heavier due to battery packs but benefit from a low center of gravity, improving stability. Gasoline cars are often lighter and may feel more agile, though modern EV suspension tuning has narrowed this gap. Braking feel. Regenerative braking in EVs creates a stronger deceleration effect when lifting off the accelerator, unlike gasoline cars that tend to coast. While unfamiliar at first, many drivers learn to use it effectively to reduce brake wear and recover energy. Thanks for watching Drive and Know. We hope this comparison gave you a clearer picture of electric and gasoline cars in both the US and Europe. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car insights. Leave a comment. Which side are you on, electric or gasoline? Until next time, drive safe and know your car.